Greetings everyone, my friends. Birdman 316 here. We are with the Miller, so we can say it's Miller time, right? But no alcohol involved here. This kind of Miller I'm talking about. This is the stock. Everything's all stock on here. We're going to document the stock sounders and all that stuff, see what kind of tones we can get out of this thing in stock form. So, without further jabber-jawing, let's get to it, shall we? I don't know about you, but them Duke boys ain't gonna make that jump there. That's pretty cool, wasn't it? But anyway, here we go. We're on a neck pickup, no overdrive, just going straight to the amp with a lot of reverb as usual. Now this bass string here, it's buzzing somewhat. I've raised this side of the bridge up and it's still wanting to buzz a little bit, but there's no, for some reason the truss rod is loose in there, the bolt is loose and it will not. In other words, I think I need a little bit of this in the neck. The only way to solve that in my mind is to, once I put the tins on here, that might create that little bit of a bow that I need. And if it's too much, I can always adjust the truss rod the other way to get rid of the bow a little bit if I need to. But it doesn't seem to be coming through the amp bad at all, if any. I mean, okay, let's go all the way to the bridge now. Now there's no out of phase wiring on this one yet. But actually it won't be out of phase wiring. Remember I told you I'll be putting the 57, no, the 59er on the neck, which the magnet has been flipped over and put back. We will do that. But for now we're going to document the stock sounds. We're on the bridge now. Clean. Now we're both. neck, and we're gonna hit the sweet cream now. We got some overdrive now. The sweet cream by itself, there's no overdrive turned on the amp. Now we're in the middle. We were on here, and now we're in the middle. Now we're on the bridge. Wrong string there, Junior. I cheated. Supposed to go here. You notice that once I get down to the treble side, it gets louder. If you'll notice, the bass side is sunk and the treble side is raised a little bit. It's like Peter Green used to have his. And when I put these other pickups in here, the 59er and the Van Halen clone, it will be having the Peter Green out of phase as well, because the magnet's going to be flipped in the neck pickup. Miss scratch me noggin, I got an itch there. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright. Alright. They need to put noggin scratches in these cowboy hats. But anyway, let's do some of these right here too. On the bridge. Let's try something here in the middle here. Well, guys, turn off the sweet cream. Now that we have the stock sounders documented officially on this one now, I hate to just waste a set of strings, but, well, hey, Colin does it all the time on his channel. He puts a new set of strings on a guitar, tests it out, and then he takes them off and cuts them and he puts another set on. But, you know, that's Colin. On the Guitaristas, in case you're wondering. That's a great channel. Check him out. But anyway, guys, this has been Miller Time, brought to you by... I have no sponsors. Oh, well, anyway. Guys, I want you to do me a humongously huge favor. Have a great day, have a great night, wherever you are. Always remember, keep rocking. Make the world a better place, guys. This is Birdman 316. Sayonara.